In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell license keys on Wix. If you're looking to turn your digital licenses into a product that you can sell effortlessly, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. First things first, navigate to the Wix website at wix.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll want to open the website where you intend to sell your digital product. Just click on Edit Site to get started. Now make sure that you have Wix stores installed. This is essential for selling any products, even digital ones like license keys. Once confirmed, head over to the Store Pages section, and from there, click on Product Page. Next, you'll be managing your products. Go to your dashboard, and from there, to Store Products. Click on Plus New Product to begin setting up a new digital product. It's important to choose digital product, not physical, since we're dealing with items like software keys. Enter your product name, such as software license key, and provide a detailed description to inform your customers about what they're purchasing. At this point, it's time to upload your license key file. If you've got a single key, you can upload a text file or a PDF that contains the key. This file will automatically be delivered to your customers right after their purchase. If you need to distribute multiple unique keys, consider using integrations like Sendowl, FetchApp, or SkyPilot for automated delivery. These services allow each customer to receive a unique code. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to set your price and add any other product details. This could include instructions on redeeming the key, any activation steps necessary, and maybe even some screenshots or logos if that helps provide clarity. In the digital product settings, ensure that you enable automatic delivery. This way, the product is instantly available to the customer, which enhances their shopping experience. With your product almost ready to go, configure your payment methods by heading to Dashboard, then Settings, and Accept Payments. Ensure you've got payment gateways activated like PayPal or Stripe, so you can start accepting money. It's always a good idea to test the checkout process afterward to make sure everything runs smoothly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish your product. Make sure it's visible on your store page and customize the design to match your site's theme. Add to cart buttons, page layout, and styling can all be refined to improve the customer's journey. Don't forget, once a customer completes a purchase, Wix will send them a download link via email, and you can track all transactions under Store Orders in your dashboard. If any issues arise, you have the option to resend download links to ensure customer satisfaction. To help boost sales, you might consider offering high-quality previews, bundle deals, or FAQs to clarify usage terms. Keep an eye on your sales performance with Wix Analytics afterwards to see how your products are doing. And there you have it, everything you need to start selling license keys on Wix.